everyone, my name is Brianna and I'm the brand manager here at Hum. This is my cat Tay. She's probably going to be in a lot of this video. But today we're going to take you through our monthly unboxing and a very special giveaway. So if you don't know how Hum works, you take a quick quiz on our website and then you get personalized vitamin recommendations from a registered dietitian. These registered dietitians are also available to answer any questions you have, which is super helpful. Then each month you get vitamins delivered straight to your door with a fun theme and a special gift inside. So this month's theme is the power within. And so like every month, you're going to get a really thoughtful and encouraging letter from our founder, along with a special gift inside, which I will get to in a second. And then you have a fun little worksheet inside that's all about intentions and starting within. I mean, so much of what our future holds is already within us, and setting intentions can be so powerful. And this worksheet is meant to serve as a starting point to tap into the power within and start 2021 off on the right foot. So there's some fun things in here, like a goal I'd like to achieve, a habit I will break, a new skill I'd love to learn, things to say yes to, things to leave behind. So this is just a great way to really get your intentions out on paper and then have them as a daily reminder when you're moving forward in 2021 to accomplish those goals. And then, as always, on the back, we have a special feature from a Hum member in our community. And if you ever want to be featured in our pamphlet, just tag us at Hum Nutrition, use hashtag StartWithin on our Instagram, and you have the chance to be featured. So, our monthly gift. This month, all boxes will include our Good Intentions bracelet. I have mine off because I was wearing it a second ago. And it's a beautiful rose gold plated bracelet that has an affirmation engraved on it, and it says start within. I don't know if you can see it. And wear it daily as a reminder that everything you need is within you. Again, the power within, full circle. And it's gorgeous. It goes with everything. So we really hope you guys enjoy this month. So now the moment everyone has been waiting for, our giveaway. So this month, one lucky winner will win a bottle of our Daily Cleanse, along with 3 vitamins of their choosing. So in order to enter, you need to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below with an intention or goal for 2021. So for example, like a goal I'd like to achieve is to just be more conscious about saving money. So let us know what yours are, and then we'll notify the winner in the comments below at the end of the month, so be sure to check back. So thank you so much for watching. This is the end of our time together. Tay says thank you too. Say hi to Tay. Stay tuned for more giveaways and unboxings on our channel.